We are at the construction site with the system installed for 22,000 zlotys. The materials cost around 7,000. Let's see the first mistake. Take a look at this outlet. There's no drip cap.
The condensate drain is acceptable. There's no other option here. I'm just wondering if it won't freeze. No, probably not, because the diameter is quite large, 32, maybe even more. But with this outlet there must be a drip cap. With the outlet installed like that, water will just keep dripping.
Hello, we are at a construction site. You can send taking a look at the system priced at 22,000 zlotys. The materials cost 7,000 zlotys and it was 2 days of work.
As the title says, what we're looking at here is a scam. You really need to see this for yourself.
There's water leaking from the diffusers, from the entire system. Let's start with the uninsulated air intake, the cheapest insulated flexible ducts in 15-meter sections. Of course, this is an uninsulated building. Just take a look at this, a 15-meter insulated flexible duct for the air supply. And now take a look at the system insulation. Remember, Durazma, friend, that this shouldn't be done this way. The wool will soon soak up water, and if temperatures drop to -5, -6 degrees, an ice cover can form here. Look at the boxes. How badly the whole system is done.
This man just made 15,000 and ran off. He not only ruined our reputation, but also the reputation of the company supplying all the equipment. The longest section is about 20 meters.
One diffuser in the living room is supposed to handle 80 cubic meters, but because of the resistance here, it actually comes out to only about 24 meters according to the measurement report. I will show you the report and all the assumptions in a moment. Water is leaking from every diffuser and from the air intake too. Remember, this is not how you insulate ventilation ducts. This client called us because they're at the end of their rope. All because of that so-called expert. Look at how these ducts are bent. We've got so much resistance. This acts like a damper. It's as if we had installed 50 or 100 meters of a 200 diameter duct. See? Sadly, the system is quiet because it dampens so much, but unfortunately that's not how it's done. Here's a leaky diffuser. Water is leaking from every diffuser here. I'm showing you this one as an example. The measurement report. Here it's 32 instead of 80, 22 instead of 40, 35.4 instead of 20. This is the shortest section. We can adjust it. But here, where it's 28 instead of 80, that's a section of about 20 meters in total. That's what's happening here.
Here's the measurement report. I won't tell you who did the measurements, but we have the report. The expert has now run away and swears that he doesn't have to fix or redo any of this. Take a look. Often, during installation, when there's a fireplace, we make sure to create an exhaust vent.
There is no vent here, as air was meant to be circulated here. But if we connected a vent, and the client will do so, the heat from the fireplace would return to the unit, giving more heat to the building. Vents are often installed near a fireplace, but someone forgot about it here.